Want to automatically post your YouTube videos on Facebook page? Then this tutorial is exactly for you, because today I'm going to show you how to automatically publish every new YouTube video to your Facebook page without manually creating the Facebook post every time. The moment a new video is published on YouTube, the video details are automatically captured and a new post is created on your Facebook page. No copy pasting the video details and no manually posting the same video twice. And I'm going to build this complete YouTube to Facebook automation using Pabbly Connect, step by step without any coding. So let's start building it. Alright, this is the Connect AI Studio of Pabbly Connect. Here you need to give a single line prompt in your own words and will automatically create a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work. See, as soon as I send the prompt, auto publish YouTube videos to Facebook pages, it analyzes my request and asks me which YouTube trigger should start this workflow. That I am selecting as new video in channel with video URL, because whenever a new video is published on my YouTube channel, automatically I want the automation to get triggered. After that, it is asking me about the Facebook pages action, that I am selecting as create page post, because I want to create an instant post on my Facebook page. And see, within a second it will automatically create a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I'll click on this approve and create button, and see, the workflow is created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this. I got the exact applications that I want, that is YouTube and Facebook pages. Here I have taken these applications, but you can easily replace them based on your business requirements, and also rename your workflow from here if you want to. Now before we dive into this setup, first, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And you know what is the best part? That you can also build this exact workflow along with me by using Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying the tool, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get a high discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See, after getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. For this, you need to click on the application. Next, click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one from here. After that, I am simply doing the sign-in process by providing the permission to Pabbly Connect. And here you will see the connection is created successfully. After that, here you need to select the channel ID. So here my channel is demo channel, so I'm selecting this from here. See, this is my channel by the name of demo channel. After selecting a channel, you will see response format with 3 options. Here I'm selecting the response format as simple, but you can also choose advanced and raw. After selecting the response format, you need to click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response with the most recent video URL that are published in my channel, including its title and the description as well. See, this is the same most recent video that is published on my YouTube channel by the name of Save Big on Pabbly Chart Flow. YouTube work on the polling based time, and once you have received this type of response, means the video URL of the most recent video from your channel, including its title and description, this confirms that the connection between your YouTube account and Pabbly Connect is created successfully, and that's it. This is how easily you can set up the trigger application. Now comes to our action application, that is Facebook pages. Here I have taken Facebook pages, but you can also use LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other platform you want to create a post. Now for connecting a Facebook account with Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this connect button. After that, click on this add new connection. Next, click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here my Facebook account is already logged in inside the system, so I am simply clicking on this continue button, and you will see the connection is created successfully. Moving forward, here you need to select the Facebook Facebook page from where you want to create a post that I am selecting as Transparency Michael. See, this is my Facebook page, Transparency Michael. After selecting the page, here in this field you need to enter the message, means the caption of the post. So I'll enter it as new tutorial is live. After that, in this field I am going to do the mapping of the video title that I have received from the previous application response, means YouTube. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So here I have mapped the title and I'm also doing the mapping of description as well. See, here it is mapped. Now what is mapping? See, mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. Every time when you published a new video on your YouTube channel, this title and the description will automatically change based on the new video title and its description, and automatically that video title and description will come in this place. So that's how this mapping works. After that, in this link URL field, I'm going to do the mapping of the video URL. See, I just gave this caption by my choice, but you can change it. My objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. After that, I'll simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button and you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's check our Facebook page, means this Transparency Michael account, to see whether a new post is created or not by refreshing it. Look at this. A new post is automatically created inside our Facebook page with the title, name, description and a video link of the most recent video which is uploaded on my YouTube channel. So that's it. This is how easily you can auto post YouTube video on Facebook. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Means every time when a new video is published on your YouTube channel, a new post is going to be created in your Facebook page without you manually touching anything. As a new post is successfully created in our Facebook page, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. So that's it. This is how easily you can connect your YouTube account with Facebook by using Pabbly Connect. And this is just one example. By using the same tool, you can integrate thousands of other applications based on your own use cases. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while reading this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.